Hey, there you go, Kennedy. There you go. Ain't it fun? Get it from Kennedy. Get it from Colin. Pick Colin up, Mama.
Let's let him watch. How you gonna want to stay out here but then scream when the dog comes? Just maybe he gets started.
No, put him down. Colin, the dog's coming. The dog's coming. Molly.
You're around here hollering and in the front yard. Get him
Get
back
Colin.
around there.
Get Colin.
Get back, walk your butt around there.
Get Colin, because he keeps.
You don't be out here hollering going on like that.
Get Colin, because he keeps. You want to
Hey,
stay
y'all
out
know
here.
better.
When the dog comes, you want to scream.
Get back in that backyard. Let me catch y'all back around here jumping over the fence. Y'all getting in the house.
We're not jumping on no fences. It's stupid in the front yard. No, not with this camera in my hand. And record.
Give me the gun.
It's gonna take a while. I'm back. He gonna smell y'all. He can sniff y'all. Come here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. I'm coming for you. Look, my boy. Shadow, scaredy, 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 scaredy.
I want preparation. Don't you wish everybody was racist? Yeah. My teacher just hates.
Yeah, it's teacher racist. I'm gonna kill her once I find her.
I know. Like today, she only yells at me because Karen already knows me and Karen, and only got black people in the class. And she says Miss Cooper, but I can't believe this. Miss Cooper is the nicest teacher there. Cindy says Miss Cooper gets on to him and only the black people in his class. I'm finna crack some
No. When I've been there, Miss Cooper was the nicest one. Miss Cooper, the nice teacher. I know Miss Cooper.
I do too. It was in his.
Old school, my pre-K
Miss
school.
Cooper, no. You remember Miss Peanut Butter? Miss Peanut Butter.
She was the best teacher.
Hey, look.
She the best teacher. She ain't no dang racist. She wasn't racist to me.
No, it's a different.
She was never mean to me. She was never mean to me.
No mentor.
I've been in y'all school. I had a friend that went to y'all school, and we went in there. Oh!
Oh crap.
Way by the beat. You got him scared.
Sorry, y'all.
Sorry.
I'm finna
Sorry. Talk about my dog like that. Here. I'm done. I done beat my cousin up. He stopped now. I just get him. Told him to shut up. Well, fuck a speed time. I'm a hit one, kid.
He sounds like Colin.
He stopped.
I'm doing it kind of.
We'll be back with my dog, part 3.